So you've got a bunch of videos on your iPhone and you want to copy them to your Mac. Well, there are two very fast and easy ways that I do it every week, and I'm going to show you how in this super quick episode. Welcome to the Maximizers. Welcome, fellow Maximizers. I'm David Miller, broadcast director and video marketing coach. I have two excellent ways that I use every single week to copy videos from my iPhone to my Macintosh computer. And time's a-wasting, so let's get right to the first method. AirDrop is the simplest way to move videos between devices. But let's start by making sure AirDrop is set up correctly on both your phone and your Mac. And we should only need to do this part one time. We open the Mac's Control Center here in the upper right corner of the screen. We make sure AirDrop is turned on, and then we select Everyone. Then we open the iPhone's Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the phone. Hold down the Wi-Fi button until the AirDrop icon appears like this. Make sure to select Contacts Only or Everyone for 10 minutes. Now that you have AirDrop set up, simply open the Photos app on your phone. Click the Select button in the upper right corner, touch each of the videos you want to transfer, touch the Share button at the bottom left corner of your screen, then touch the icon showing your Mac. Your videos will transfer and show up in the Downloads folder of your Mac. This method is wireless and easy to do over Wi-Fi. But what if AirDrop or Wi-Fi are giving you troubles? Or what if you want the videos to show up somewhere other than your Downloads folder? Method 2 starts by connecting your iPhone to your Mac with a cable. I know a cable is not as cool as wireless, but it works really well. Once the cable is connected, open the application called Image Capture. When Image Capture opens, your iPhone videos and images will show up like this. Then simply select all the videos you want to transfer and drag them all to any folder on your Mac. It really is that easy. All right, fellow Maximizers, here is your challenge. Go shoot some awesome videos, then get them into your computer and publish your amazing content because people are waiting to see your stuff. Please do me a favor and click that subscribe button because it would mean a lot to me. Let's stay connected, and as always, have the very most fun.